flying like 2 wheels! Yes! That turn's really small though, that's why it's hard. Does it make you nervous? Yeah. Oh, Andrew, come on! He is driving like a grandma! Come on! You're ridiculous!
You woman! He's beating you!
Come on, Andrew! Andrew is such a grandma. David freaking called it. Can I drive the car? Andrew, come on. Is Bubba gonna do it? Yeah, Bubba's gonna do it. Bubba's gonna do it. I'm gonna vine this for you, Sherry. Oh, mind your way. Oh, gosh! Tucker's Bubba has to burn all his crap off because he has no time. Alright, let's come here. Andrew. Come on, Andrew! You're so David! You should be ashamed! You're gonna drive like a grandma! You should be ashamed to sit there! I vined that.
Oh, then he's
the fast and the slow. You are the slow, Geoff's the fast.
Geoff has a small car. Did you see it? Did you see how
you
big
still suck. You can't make that turn right there. This is hilarious. Is this the battle of the cross? This is the battle of who can go through it without dying. I'll get my dad's little green car. My mom's minivan. Sorry, the minivan. There we go. Wow. I need to take out those 3 cones right there and you can make it. David's so scared.
Mine didn't have enough air in the tires.